zvinovaka nyika. Pachirungu inonzi accountability. Kana pasina kubvunzana nekubvunzurudzana neavo vanotonga kana vanotungamirira, nyika hapana kwainoenda. Saka ndokuuya kwandaita pano, ndo zviri mupfungwa dzangu nekuda kwa Itai Dzamara.
Are you planning more protests?
Well, I think that there are a number of ways in which we can continue to protest. We all know that the state has become heavy-handed and brutal against those of us that have chosen and decided to stand up against injustice, against corruption, and against poverty, and against misrule. And so, there are other means and ways that we continue to stand up. I may be a little bit reserved. I have a court case going on, but I'm definitely resolved that standing for Zimbabwe is a life purpose for me and should be a life purpose for every Zimbabwean.
Pastor, what is your future plan about the flag?
Well, I think the flag of Zimbabwe is a symbol that is not owned by the state; it's owned by the citizens. This is something that we have pride in for our nation, and it's a symbol that we continue to display and to own proudly. And for the government to now use a law against us, for us not to use it, just goes to show you that as citizens we have successfully been able to stand up and reclaim our space to speak and our space to let our concerns known about our nation. So this is not something we back away from. It's ours. It doesn't belong to politicians, it doesn't belong to a party. It is for Zimbabweans. Yeah.